RJ, and I'm here to show you how to put a faceplate properly on a wall once you've installed a data jack. In the data drop-in-a-box items you find in the top of the box, it will include the faceplate and all the parts you need for the faceplate. On the back of the faceplate, you'll notice there's an arrow that dictates which direction is up on the faceplate. So you locate that in order to know how to pop the jack. What you do is you insert the bottom part of the jack first and then simply press upward until you hear the click. This securely puts the jack in place. If you only have one jack in a faceplate and you have two holes, the data drop-in-a-box comes with what they call blank inserts. This blank insert can be inserted the exact same way, bottom first and then simply popping up until it snaps in place. In the bag you'll locate a bag of screws as well as windows that will label the jack with. I put the blank and the data jack in, put the screw in, and simply secure it to the box that we cut in by stepping back and looking at it to make sure that the plate is in fact straight. Once the plate is in fact straight, you can use your offhand to hold the plate while you secure the plate to the wall. Once the plate is on the wall, you can locate the blank windows from that same bag that you found the screws in, print out a label to put on here, you can write a label on here, or you can just leave it blank if you don't have many jacks in the facility. Data drop-in-the-box comes with two patch cords to allow you to easily hook up to whatever device you're trying to hook up to. Plug the patch cord into the wall until you hear the click, and then plug into the back of your device, similar to this phone. Now you're ready to go. In the data drop-in-a-box, you'll notice it comes with a surface mount box, and sticky back, as well as if you open the surface mount box, it comes with mounting screws. Whenever you surface mount, it's because there's no wall to mount it on where you want to put the jack. It pops in here the same way as the wall jack does. The only difference is the jack's upside down. So the jack's upside down and then you pop it till it hears a click. Now you put the top on and you're ready to mount. The sticky back, double-sided tape, can stick on. Pull the other side of the tape and simply secure to the piece of furniture desired. Now your drop-in-a-box is ready to go.